Teacher Prix, what's the difference between go to, go in, go for? That's what you're going to learn in this video. Coming up. Hey student, I am Teacher Prix and I'm going to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. Now, this preposition mix, well, that's a common question for English learners. It is a vocabulary lesson to help you improve your conversation skills and comprehension as well. So guys, let's dive into the content, okay? When we use go to, that's actually the most common combination you will find with the verb go. I was once reading an advanced book and basically they even gave a percentage, okay? 95% of the cases you will see go plus to when you're showing movement in the direction of a place. That's the most common situation of go plus to, okay? Whenever you're giving me that idea that you're going to a place in the direction of a place, you will use the preposition to plus go. For example, I'm going to Boston next week. No, I'm not going to Boston next week. I would love to, but I can't. My best friend goes to work by bike. Okay, he uses his bicycle. So my best friend goes to work by bicycle. Not true. My best friend goes to work by subway, I think. Yes, by subway. Sometimes by Uber. Well, he can. So you go to, okay? Lynn and Peter went to Portugal last month and had a great time, okay? Well, I don't know Lynn and Peter, but I have a student who went to Portugal a few months ago and she loved it. It was amazing. She visited her family. It was great, okay? Now, some disclaimers here. Even though you use go plus to indicate in the direction of a place, with the words home, yes, there, here, somewhere, uptown, downtown, no, okay? You don't use the preposition to. You just use the verb go, okay? Hey, what are you doing? Where are you going? Oh, I'm going uptown for a meeting. Do you need a ride? I'm going uptown for a meeting. Do you need a ride? Maybe I'm driving uptown, okay, I'm going uptown and my friend or my sister or my wife or my husband asks me, what are you doing? Where are you going? Oh, I'm going to a meeting uptown. Okay, I'm going uptown for a meeting. So this would be possible. No to. There you have it. No to. Hey, where are you going? I'm going home. But it's 5. I know, I need to go home. There you have it. So no to, okay, with these words, home, there, here, go there, go here, go somewhere, go. There you have it. Another common construction with go to is to use go to and another verb to indicate the reason, the purpose to something. I went to the beach to relax. Okay, so I went to the beach to relax. Very nice. I'm going to Boston to meet my friend. I'm going to Boston to visit my friend. In this case, the preposition to here is giving purpose. Okay, I'm actually even going in a different direction here. I say where I'm going to the office to do something. I'm going to school to do something. I'm going downtown, no preposition to, okay? I'm going downtown to do something. This is a very common construction with the verb go, then to the place, then to the purpose, okay? The thing you're going to do. So I'm going to my parents' house to see my family. I'm going to my parents' house, not home. Okay, I'm going to my parents' house to visit my family. Oh, but teacher, couldn't I use home here? I'm going to my parents' home. No, you use house, okay? It's not your home. Home is usually more personal. It's my place, my beautiful home. When I'm going to other people's houses, I usually use the word house instead of home. There you have it. Now go for, okay? So this is also a very common construction, and in this case, you're going to use go plus for, the preposition for, and a noun, okay? Noun, N-O-U-W, no, N-O-U-N, noun. So when we want to show the purpose of the movement, you're going somewhere, but what's the purpose? Pizza. Let's go for pizza. Ah, I love going for pizza all the time, anytime, anywhere, with anyone. Let's go for pizza. We need more pizza in the world. Why don't we go for brunch? It's 11 a.m., you know, not 11, it's just an example. It's already late for breakfast, so why not? Why not go for brunch? Huh. Example, okay? Why don't we go for a few drinks someday? You know, maybe someone is talking to you, flirting with you, and then the person invites you to go for a few drinks, to go for a few drinks. The person is not saying the place itself. The person is saying the purpose. Where are we going? Well, for drinks. Maybe more. Let's stop there, right? And finally, go plus in. If possible, smash that like button, my friend. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe. I make these lessons for you. But now, go in. It means to enter. So let's take a look at some examples. When I go in there, I always enjoy the atmosphere. When I go in there, I always enjoy the atmosphere. So when I go in that place, when I go inside that place, okay? Inside that place, that's the idea. I'm entering. Remember that in most situations, you will use to. But here, my idea is to enter. Therefore, I will use the preposition in. I always enjoy the vibe. You know, it's such a beautiful place. I love it, okay? Maybe you're walking down the street and you see a beautiful shop. Hey, well, let's go in this shop. It looks amazing. Let's go in. Let's check it out, okay? So let's enter this store. Let's enter this shop. I don't know why I used shop. Let's go in this shop. Looks beautiful. I want to check it out. I want to see inside. I want to see what is inside. So let's go in. Alex went in the store to check if they still had PlayStations available. So he went in. He went in the store to check if they still had PlayStations available. So he entered the store. He went in. He went in the store to check if they still had PlayStations available. There you have it, my friends. Now I invite you to a short challenge. Post one example with each verb. Go to, go plus to, go plus in, go plus for. Okay, follow this lesson, understand the differences, and post your 3 examples here in the comments. Other than that, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!